How to set up Google Workspace email with Shopify registered domain. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Google Workspace email with Shopify registered domain. So for that, first of all, you need to copy a unique txt record value from the Google admin console and paste the unique txt record value in your domain register settings and verify ownership in the Google admin console. And after that, you have to copy a unique txt record value from the Google admin console, sign in, then go to menu, then account, domains, manage domains, and require having the domain settings administrator privilege, and click verify domain for the domain or subdomain you want to verify. And in the domain setup tool, click get started, then choose your domain register and click continue. If your domain register isn't in the list, select my domain uses a different host. In the txt records section, copy the value including Google site verification and then paste the unique txt record value in your domain register setting, and then you have to verify ownership in the Google admin console. So go back to your admin console where you copied the unique txt record value and select come back here and confirm, then click confirm. Your admin console then searches for your unique txt record and checks if it's associated with the domain you are verifying, and if the Google admin console finds a unique txt record associated with the expected domain, you'll all set. Click activate Gmail to continue the setup process or explore Google Workspace. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.